All 3D printing technologies create solid parts from 3D models layer by layer. Among them is SLA. SLA stands for Stereolithography, a 3D printing process that uses a UV laser to cure liquid resin into hardened plastic. Upside down or inverted stereolithography is the most common SLA system. Depending on the machine, resin is either poured into a tank by a user or dispensed automatically from a cartridge. At the beginning of the print, a build platform is lowered into the resin, leaving only a thin layer of liquid in between the platform and the bottom of the tank. Galvanometers direct the UV laser through a transparent window at the bottom of the resin tank, drawing a cross-section of the 3D model and selectively hardening the material. The print is built in consecutive layers, each less than 100 microns thick. When a layer is complete, the part is peeled from the bottom of the tank, letting fresh resin flow beneath, and the platform is lowered once again. Originally developed in the 80s, SLA was confined to large industrial machines until recently. Today, desktop stereolithography offers affordable, high-resolution 3D printing that fits conveniently in your workspace. SLA allows for the use of a wide range of materials with diverse physical properties. Whether you're an engineer, product designer, sculptor, jeweler, or dentist, there's a material for your application.